Hello students, I am your instructor Aziz Khan. I am going to teach you fundamentals of computer. Here we have a lot of topics for you. If you watch this tutorial, you will get more information about computer. We have a number of topics like introduction to computer, what is data and information, advantages and disadvantages of computer. In a computer system, I will teach you the data, software, hardware, memory units, father of computer, mother of computer, history of computer, why we use computer, generation of computer, classification of computer according to size, speed and storage, number system in computer, computer language, RAM, ROM, cache, memory, GPU, computer abbreviation. These all the topics you will learn in detail, and this course is for those who are intermediate, for those who don't know about the computer, for those who know about the computer but don't know in detail. If you watch this video, you will get more and more information about computer.